So work has given me the task to explore how to use KNIME. I've downloaded the app and will now try and build my first workflow. First I select my workspace, which I'm just going to use as the default. And then I've conveniently already kind of prepared this data set, so I'm just going to try and build a clustering workflow. And I've downloaded one of those clustering benchmark data sets. So this is my KNIME workspace. I don't quite know what all the things do yet, but I can create a new workflow, new KNIME workflow, and say K cluster. And now I can just drag and drop workflow elements by firstly reading in data. So it's a file reader. And I can add data to the file reader, which is this clustering data set. It has this blank column, so we can just not include that, and then that should be fine. Then the next thing, so now we've gone from red to yellow, so we're almost ready to go. So I wanted to do a k-means clustering on this, so I can just find that in analytics, mining, clustering, k-means, drag the node across. Then I want a color manager so that my plot has the right colors. And then I actually want a scatter plot. Let's go with this. And basically all we now need to do is connect the nodes and then actually run the workflow. So this is the output, that's connected to the input. And then the k-means output is connected to the color manager, and the color manager to the scatter plot. And now we can just run the workflow. That reads in the file. Now we'll do the k-means clustering. Somehow it's not happy. And generate the plot. So there's a little warning sign saying there that only the first 250 rows are displayed. That can be changed here, but I think 2,500 rows is enough. And then we can just view the result of the k-means clustering. And that's how I guess you build your first workflow. Hopefully I'll be exploring much more complicated things in the near future.